Good morning, all of you. In the previous class, we have discussed the chapter determinant, under which we are solving the board examination questions. Now, today we will discuss the chapter determinant again, and we will solve some questions on determinants. Let us start. First question: use product determinant. We have to given the matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 2, 4, and another matrix minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, and minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. We have to given use product of this and this to solve the system of equation. Equation is x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1 and 2y plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 1, 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 2. Okay, we have to given use the product of this and this to solve the system of equation this and this, and we have to find the value of x, y, z. Okay, so first we have to given that these equations. Okay, and what we have written first the given equation can be written in the form ax is equal to b. First, what we will do, we will write this equation in the form of ax is equal to b, where a is what? 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 2, 4. Okay, and our x is what? X, y, z, and b is equal to 1, 1, 2. From the given equation, we have first written in this form ax is equal to b, where a, b and x are given. Now this can be also written as x is equal to a inverse b. Okay, if we are finding this a inverse, then we put the value of a inverse here and compare and multiply this with b, we get x, y, z after comparing. So our priority is what? To find a inverse. So for this is our a. Okay, and this is b. So this is c. Let c is what? This matrix. Okay, so this is, suppose that this is matrix C. Okay, now first what we will do, we have to given the product A and C, so we first find the product of these two and we see what we are getting, what we are giving us. So write this x is equal to A inverse B and the side, and we first take the product. Okay, now product of this and this we are going to write. Okay, so let's start. -2 -9 plus 12. Again start 0 -2 plus 2 1 plus 3 minus 4 again 0 18 minus 18 again 0 4 minus 3 again 0 minus 6 plus 6 again minus 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 18 plus 24 again 0 minus 4 plus 4 again 3 plus 6 minus 8. So multiplication is this. You know how we multiply it. Our first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. This is first, second, third. Okay, now again second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Okay, in the same way third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. Now this is 2. Solve this. What we are getting, we will write. So this is our A into C. We are finding what? A into C. Now this is 12 minus 11, 1. This is 0 and this is 0. This is again 0 and this is 1. This is 0 and this 18 and 6 minus 24, 24, 0, 0, 69 minus 8, 1. So what we are getting? An identity matrix. Our product is what? An identity. Okay, so we can write here that AC is equal to I. We can write AC is equal to I. So for finding A inverse, what we will do? We will multiply by A inverse to the both sides. So multiply, we get A inverse A C A inverse I. Okay, now we know that A inverse multiplied by A is what? Our identity. So IC is equal to A inverse I. Okay, now our A inverse will be what? Our A inverse will be, so you know, if we are multiplying with identity matrix to any matrix, then we get that matrix. So here is our A inverse and this is IC. So our A inverse will be what? Our A inverse will be, this is C. Again this I multiplied by C. So this is identity matrix. So if we are multiplied by identity matrix to any matrix, we get that matrix. So it will be C. Now A inverse is equal to what? C is what? C is over this. So minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. So this is our what? A inverse. So we have got our A inverse. Our A inverse is minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2. Okay? Now we put the value of A inverse X and B in that equation. We get the value of X, Y, Z. Okay? So our X is what? Our X is X, Y, Z. And A inverse is minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2, and this is multiplied by b. Our b is what? The right hand side 1, 1, 2. Now our x, y, z will be what? The multiplication of these two. Okay? Now we will multiply. So let's start. So let's multiply this. First row, first column. So minus 2 plus 0 and plus 2. Again 9 plus 2 minus 6. 6 plus 1 minus 4. So after solving we get 0. 9 minus 6, 3. 6 plus 1, 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 9 and 9, 2 and minus 6. So 9 to 11, 11 minus 6, 5 and 6, 1 minus 4, 7 minus 4, this is 3. So what we are getting? We are getting 0, 5 and 3. So our x is what? 0, y is 5 and z is 3. So in this way we can find the value of x, y, z of giving these equations, giving this matrix A and C. So what we have done in the starting, we have to given A into C, this matrix, and using this equation we have to find x, y, z. Okay? So let's start. First we have converted this in the form of Ax is equal to B, where we have written A is what? 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 4. This is our A. Now A and B is what? The right hand side 1, 1, 2, and X is what? X, Y, Z. Okay? Now our first priority is to find the value of A inverse. And we have to given this equation or the product of the matrix. So what we have done, we have taken A into C and multiplied this. After multiplication, we are seeing that we are getting 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, which is our identity matrix. So we have written AC is equal to I. After multiplication, A inverse to the both sides, we get A inverse A inverse I here. Now you know A inverse A will be I, and this is C, and A inverse I. Okay, and A inverse I is what? Will be A inverse, and IC will be C. So we write A inverse is equal to C, and A inverse is equal to the value of C is what? This matrix. So A inverse is what? Or A inverse is the matrix C. So we have finded our A inverse. Now put the value of A inverse X and B in this equation. Okay. After putting the value A inverse X and B and multiply this A inverse with B, we get 0, 5, 3. And comparing both sides, X is 0, Y is 5, Z is 3. So in this way we can find our X, Y, Z. Okay, I hope you understand. So we will see next question. Next question is, our next question is a word problem. I am studying the management committee of a residential colony decided to award some of its members, say X, for honesty. X, okay. Some say for helping others. This is Y. Okay, and some others say Z for supervising the worker. Supervising workers is Z. So for honesty we are taking X, for helping others we are considering Y, and for supervising worker we are considering Z. Say Z for supervising the worker to keep the colony neat and clean. The sum of all the awardees is 12. Okay, first condition is sum of all the awardees is 12, and second is 3 times the sum of awardees for cooperation and supervision added to 2 times the number of awardees for honesty is 33. Okay, this is second condition. And third condition, the sum of the number of awardees for honesty and supervision is twice the number of awardees the helping other. Okay, so for helping others, using matrix method, find the number of awardees for each category. We have to find the number of the 3 categories of persons which are awarded by the committee, which are there are 3 types of persons. Some for honesty, those number is X. Some are helping others, those number are Y, and some are supervising workers, whose number is Z. So now we will create the equation. So first condition is what? What will be? The sum of all the awardees is 12. We have to give him that for honesty X, number of person helping others, number of person Y, supervising worker, number of person are Z. Now the second condition is the sum of all the awardees is 12. So let's first equation. The awardees are X and Y and Z. So the number of all the awardees are 12. And second condition is 3 times the sum of awardees for cooperation and supervision added to the 2 times number of awardees for honesty. Okay. So the second condition is 2x plus 3y 3z is equal to 33. Okay. So third equation is x plus z is equal to 2y, because we have to given if the sum of the number of awardees for honesty and supervision is twice the number of awardees for helping others. Okay, this is twice, so you can write this x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. So this is our equation. Now the help of these 3 equations, we will find our number of people who are awarded for honesty X, for helping others and supervising workers. Okay, so first what we will do, we will write this in the form of this can be written as Ax is equal to B. Okay, so our A is what? We will write A 1 1 1 2 3 3. Okay, now 1 minus 2 1. This is our A. X is what? X y z, and B is what? Or B is 12, 33 and 0. Okay, now we will find our A inverse. Okay, because from here we see X is equal to A inverse B, we get here x is equal to A inverse B. If we are finding A inverse, then we will put the value in this equation and we get our x, y, z. So our first priority is what? To find A inverse. For finding A inverse, we find adjoint of A. Okay, so let us start. So this is A. Now A11 is what? Now first find determinant of A. Determinant of A is what? 1. This is cancelled. 3 plus 6 minus 1. This is cancelled. 2 minus 3 plus 1. This is cancelled. Minus 4 minus 3. So what we are getting? After solving we get 9 minus plus 1 and minus 7, 9 and 10 minus 3. So our determinant of A is 3. It means A inverse. So A inverse exists. It means we can find A inverse because determinant of A, our determinant of A is what? Determinant of A is 3. Now we will find our what? Adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, we will calculate A11. A11 means it will be cancelled. 3 minus 2 3 6. This will be 9. Okay. Now A12 is what? A12 will be minus sign with minus sign, and this is cancelled. 2 minus 3, so it will be 1. A13 is what? This is cancelled. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. This is cancelled. Minus 2 to the 4 minus 3 minus 7. Now A21 is with negative sign. 1 plus 2 minus 3. Similarly, A22 will be what? 0. Okay. Our A22 is 0. A23 is what? A23 is after solving we get 3. A31 is 0. A32 is minus 1. A33 is equal to 1. Now what we will get? We will write adjoint of A is equal to our cofactors 9, 1, minus 7, minus 3, 0, 3, 0, minus 1, 1. So transpose of this, our adjoint of the A is the transpose of this. So our adjoint is 9, 1, minus 7, minus 3, 0, 3, 0, minus 1, 1. So our adjoint of A is this. Now we will find our what? We will find now our A inverse. A inverse is adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Adjoint of A is what? 9 minus 3 0, 1 0 minus 1 minus 7 3 1, and determinant of A is 3. So our A inverse will be 1 by 3, 9 minus 3 0, 1 0 minus 1 minus 7 3 1. Now what we have to do? We have to equate this x is equal to A inverse B. Okay? So now we will put this A inverse B and x in this equation. We get so x is equal to A inverse B. X is what? X, Y, Z. A inverse is or A inverse is 1 by 3, 9 minus 3 0, 1 0 minus 1 minus 7 3 1. Okay? So and B is what? B is 12, 33 and 0. This is our B. Now we will multiply this and get our result after comparing both matrices. So x, y, z. Now 1 by 3 multiply this, we get what? Okay, we are going to write. So 9 into 12 minus 3 into 33, 9 12 108 and minus 999, and this is 0. Again this 12 plus 0 minus 0, and this is 84 with negative sign, and plus 9 9, and this is plus 0. So we write what we get. We are getting 1 by 3 9 12, and this is 6 and 9 15. Okay. Now after dividing by 3, we get 3, 4 and 5. So comparing both, x is 3, y is 4, z is 5. So what we have gained? Our number of awards for honesty. This is for honesty, and this is for helping others, and this is for supervising. So number of award given for the honesty is 3, for helping others 4, and supervising workers is 5. So in this way we can find our solution. Okay. So first what we have done, we have taken the condition, we made three equations, this and this, and after that we have written A, B and X. After that we have find A inverse. For A inverse we find adjoint of A and determinant of A. After that we calculated A inverse, and after that we put the value of x, d and A inverse and we get the result, that is x is 3, y is 4 and z is 5. Thank you.